Alright, kind of an experimental setup here. We've got a Spirit GT unit in here with the Spirit Aero software. It's in heading hold mode, which honestly I find a little bit weird to fly. But I'm going to give it another shot. This is the second flight, and I'll see if I can get used to it. It's just kind of weird. I mean, it flies well. It just doesn't feel like what I'm used to from an airplane. All the other gyros I've used have been rate mode, which, you know, they basically just compensate for wind gusts, and this just keeps it pointed in whatever direction you put it, which feels, honestly, kind of weird. It doesn't seem to affect its ability to do things. Well, that was a terrible attempt at a pop top. So was that. I don't know, I guess I could get used to it. I mean, this is a very neutral airplane anyway. It pretty much goes where you point it. This just feels a little odd. Not quite used to it. It also is trying to pitch down a little bit, and it said you shouldn't have to use trims with heading hold mode, but it is pitching down. Maybe I need to bump up the gain a little bit. I've got it on a knob. There, I turned it up a little. Now let's go hands off. It's still pitching down a little bit. Pitches down a lot in rate mode because I didn't trim it. I don't think I can go up too much higher on the gain. I'm already seeing a few little aileron bumps. Yeah, it's climbing hands off inverted, so. It's definitely kind of different. Honestly, I'm not sure if I like it. It's a bit breezy today. Makes hovering easy. A little piece of paper or something came out of it there. Yeah, it's kind of weird.
10, 9, 8.
Landing
7,
is especially weird.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
I mean, it didn't look that hard, but it felt weird. Okay, well, I'll give it some more time. I'm not saying it's terrible, but it's definitely different from what I'm used to.